So, you're looking to level up your dropshipping game, huh? And you're torn between two of the biggest players in the game, AutoDS and Spocket. Which one's the real deal? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding the basics, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what these platforms are all about. AutoDS. This is a powerful automation tool that helps you source products from various suppliers like AliExpress, eBay, and Walmart. It automates a ton of tasks, including product listing, order fulfillment, and customer service. Spocket. This platform specializes in US and EU suppliers, offering premium products with faster shipping times. It's great for those who want to build a high-end brand. Key differences: a head-to-head comparison. Product sourcing. AutoDS, a wider range of suppliers, including AliExpress, eBay, and Walmart. This means more options but potentially lower quality products. Spocket, a curated selection of premium suppliers, primarily from the US and EU. This ensures higher quality products and faster shipping times. Automation features. AutoDS, extensive automation features, including automatic price and inventory updates, order fulfillment, and customer service. Spocket, while it offers some automation features, it's not as robust as AutoDS. You'll need to manually manage some tasks. Pricing. AutoDS offers a variety of pricing plans to suit different needs. Spocket, a more straightforward pricing model, with plans based on the number of orders you process. Customer support. AutoDS, known for its responsive customer support team. Spocket provides decent customer support, but it can sometimes be slower than AutoDS. Which one should you choose? The best choice for you depends on your specific needs and goals. Here's a quick breakdown. Choose AutoDS if you want a wide range of products to choose from. You prioritize automation and efficiency. You're on a tight budget. Choose Spocket if you want to build a high-end brand with premium products. You value faster shipping times and better product quality. You're willing to pay a premium for these benefits. A word of caution. While both platforms offer great features, it's important to remember that dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires hard work, dedication, and a solid business strategy. Don't expect overnight success. Ultimately, the best way to decide which platform is right for you is to try them both out. Both AutoDS and Spocket offer free trials, so you can test the waters and see which one you prefer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.